In this video, I'll show you how to schedule night light settings to turn on and off automatically. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on this start bar, right click on the settings. Once you have clicked on the settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, click on this display. Right from this display option, you're going to see the night light, right? So you can just turn it on here for this sake or this reference. Click on this. Now this is the schedule night light, right? This is the schedule night light, and if you want this to turn on or off automatically, you are first gonna turn it on, right? Once you have turned it on, you can look right here, turn on location services. So you're gonna work on your location services and turn it on, right? So as everything would automatically walk through on schedule, right? So for you to allow this to go well on and off automatically, you're gonna first turn this on, right? Once you have turned it on, you're gonna adjust the time you love it to turn on and the time you love it to turn off, right? So you're gonna work on the set hours. So once you are done, you're gonna go back, right? So once you have gone back, everything is set now, I think, right? So this is basically how you can do that. So I'll just turn this off because this is an educational video. So that is basically how you can schedule night light settings to turn on or off automatically here in your Windows. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next